just a brisk minus 20 Celsius this morning. Got about a 6-hour drive if we don't stop. We're gonna take the little Yodi and be on our way. Goodbye, Howick. We are Toronto bound, Greater Toronto area. All right, well, we'll get back to you once we maybe once we cross the Ontario provincial line. Yeah, that's the one store in Howick. You guys have seen it. We're about to pass a church, and that's it. And yeah, we got one traffic light. That's one traffic light. All right, folks, we got to concentrate on driving. See you soon. Toronto bound. Welcome to Ontario. Open for business. Well, we're coming to Ontario to do some business. All right, 460 kilometers left to go, westbound and down. All right, we need coffee. Got a long trip. Definitely need our caffeine intake.
600 meters, merge onto Ontario 401 West.
Yes. Coffee first.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew.
Quick little movie trivia. I stopped at this movie location. What is this movie? What house was this? Well, if you guys can remember the movie Billy Madison, this is Billy Madison's house. It's located in Oshawa, Ontario. Alright, well, we're closing in on our destination. I'm gonna drive the rest of the way. I don't want to film this person's house. I'm gonna even ask if I can film while we're there, because these people have a couple of nice Mustangs, so we'll see what they say. Alright guys, be back with you in a minute. Got this beautiful 86 4i. Man, I love that color. The wheels and the stance are just right on this car. And anybody who knows me knows an 85, 86 is, it's my unicorn. It's the one I've never gotten my hands on. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. It's been 5 lug swaps, got 4-wheel disc brakes. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. Cowl hood, Cobra intake. Idles really well, speed density car. Take me back to 86. The halo buckets. It's a T5 car.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's see how she sounds.
Sounds pretty good.
But I know it's pretty good.
Check out these wheels, guys. And this is Marcus's Golf R. These cars will hurt some feelings. And in fact, these cars can and will humiliate some stock Fox bodies and humiliate them bad. This is a bad little car. If you've never been for a ride in one, I promise you, these things launch like a bat out of hell. Look at that beauty. That thing's gorgeous, Paul and Sally. They have a beautiful fleet. Really beautiful fleet. And even cooler than their cars are Paul and Sally and Marcus themselves. Paul's been great to me, Sally as well.
Do you want the... Do whatever. No, I'm not going to open the exhaust. No? Nah. Yeah, okay, leave it out. Just leave it out, just in case I do. Okay, thanks.
Look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful turn. And it is a clean. I can't show you guys what's underneath. Not yet. We'll get some footage of it, but I'm gonna give the owner a chance to do his reveal on it himself. I don't want to infringe. Look at that. It's all original. Sometimes you just don't need words. This thing is like brand new. Still got the original car light window. Alright, hey guys, so we went down to the greater Toronto area and we picked up some parts for Sweet Leaf. We got to spend yesterday and last evening and today with Paul, Sally, and Marcus DaFox. We'll put a link to their channel right here. Let me tell you, they are everything they come off on as on camera. Great people, treated me like a king, fed me like a king. They left me wanting for nothing, I promise you. Great people, glad to have finally met them, and glad to call them my friends. And anyway, when we get back, we got about a 6-hour drive ahead of us. When we get back, we're going to show you what we got. We got some real goodies. Paul really hooked this up. Anyway, Paul, Sally, Marcus, can't thank you enough. Even got to go for a little rip in Marcus's Golf R. Let me tell you, that car left me speechless. I'm not never owned any fast imports or anything like that before, and that car's gonna hurt some feelings. That car's gonna hurt some like brand new Mustang feelings. Let me tell you, very surprising. So alright guys, we will give you some updates along the way. We're going to concentrate on the road. It's a beautiful day for a drive, and let's get after it. Well, we just almost completed our 6-hour trip. We're about 20 minutes from home. We had to stop and fill up the tank because, yeah, you don't want to leave the wife with no gas in her car. Steph wouldn't appreciate that. And her car is completely coated in salt and grime and sand from the roads, from the snow removal and all that, so we're gonna give it a quick bath and get some of that crap off of it. right, everyone. So that's basically the summary of our little trip, our vlog of the trip. We had an amazing time with Paul, Sally, and their son Marcus, DaFox family. They're amazing. Had an excellent time, and look forward to visiting with them again. We got some parts for Sweetleaf for the project. As you guys know, Sweetleaf is in winter storage right now, and we're in the process of accumulating parts, and we're still doing the teardown of the 88 GT. So there'll be more videos coming on that. I would like you guys to consider subscribing to Paul the Fox. Link will be in the description below. Also, his wife Sally, her channel Sally DaFox Fitness, for you fitness enthusiasts. And also they have a secondary channel called DaFox Fitness. All the descriptions will be down in the description below. So until next time, everybody, peace. Don't forget, subscribe. Paul the Fox. You like that, don't you?